So today is a very exciting day. Today is the day that I finally get a chance to open up the AirPods 2. They've been sitting on my desk for the past week and a half while I was away. Today is the day we finally get to open it and see what the difference is between these here and the ones that never leave my side, the AirPods 1.0. Anyways, these are the AirPods 2.0. Let's take a look very quickly and we'll go over the differences and if it is worth purchasing this or not. Anyways, so AirPods 2.0, everyone's been looking forward to this. A little bit of a slight underwhelming, if you would, in terms of new features. Okay, so AirPods 2.0, as always, on the front of the box. This is the version with the wireless charging because if you just got the regular ones, they're literally identical to the originals, so there's legitimately no point to doing that other than an H1 chip. Compatible with iOS devices, Apple Watch, or Mac with the latest software. Works with AirPower. And she's certified chargers. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into the box. Designed by Apple in California, and here we are. So this is where you're gonna notice the biggest difference between the original AirPods and the new 2.0. And that is this little dot right here. That is the charging indicator. They've moved it from inside the charging case where it used to be located in the 1.0s right there to the outside, so you know whether or not they are charging without having to open them, which is a pretty significant change. And let's explore more of what is different. So taking a look at the actual AirPods 2.0, they are identical to the originals. So identical, in fact, that if you were to put both of them side by side, you literally would not be able to tell. Shape, size, sensor location, all identical. And thank God these are worn because right now I am confused between which one is which. To the point where I'm actually going to grab a Sharpie and put a little dot on the first ones. So the biggest difference what happened between the first generation and second generation of AirPods is the H1 chip. So the new H1 chips allow for kind of a more easy user-friendly experience with the AirPods 2. By no means was the original any kind of challenge, but with the H1 chips you get faster pairing, faster connectivity between your Apple devices, and an additional 50% of battery life kind of within the AirPods themselves. So that pretty much is the only difference between the AirPods 2.0 and the original is the H1 chips. They sound the same, they feel the same, they fit the same, they look the same. The biggest change, however, between the first and second generation is the case. So now we are introduced with the wireless charging case. Why am I excited about that? Well, because I have a wireless charger. By no means did I have an issue plugging this in at all every other night, but this right here, you are able to kind of just plop it down and charge it. Wherever you have a wireless charger, you can now charge this similar with your iPhone X, all that fun stuff. That's what I have, that's what I rock in my pocket all the time. So essentially, I'm just gonna have a wireless charging kind of setup here going on. And yeah. So that's the biggest difference between the 1 and the 2. And I'm excited because I'm about to try this for the first time in 3, 2, 1. It works. That is extremely exciting. Why did I not think that wouldn't work? I don't know. So we got the orange indicator light working in the front here. So that's very, very, it's okay. It's not bad. Of course, the new AirPods 2.0 are offered with a regular charging case, and they actually sell the case separate if you do have the 1.0s or the original AirPods and you just want to upgrade that case, because you know there's such a small difference between the two actual AirPods. But yeah, I just picked up this pair. I'm not overly excited for this change, but you know, it is this is kind of the smallest incremental change to a line of products Apple has ever done, but wireless charging for the win. Anyways, I hope you liked that video. If you did, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. For additional brownie points, please follow me on all of my social media. But for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one. And of course, please hit that notification button if you are subscribed. YouTube's algorithm has been so friendly to us that, you know, it's just the views are just coming in. We can't control them here on the platform. You know, I had to hire 6 new employees to actually manage and deal with that huge spike of views. I'm just kidding, just hit the notification buttons. It really helps the channel out. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.